July 15th, 2026. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin market analysis for July 15th, 2026. Let's take a look at the daily chart and see what Bitcoin is telling us. As always, remember that this is a technical market analysis, not financial advice. Bitcoin continues to trade within an overall bullish structure on the daily time frame. Despite normal price fluctuations, buyers remain in control as long as the market holds above major support zones. The recent candles suggest that bullish momentum is still present, although the pace of the rally has slowed slightly. This kind of behavior is common after a strong upward move, as the market often pauses before deciding its next direction. One of the most important areas to watch is the nearest support level. If Bitcoin remains above this zone, buyers may continue accumulating positions, increasing the chances of another move higher. Healthy pullbacks are a normal part of every uptrend and should not automatically be viewed as signs of weakness. On the upside, Bitcoin is approaching an important resistance area where sellers could become more active. A strong daily candle closing above this resistance would be a positive signal and could attract additional buying interest. Such a breakout would strengthen the bullish outlook and may open the door for a continuation of the longer-term trend. However, traders should also prepare for the alternative scenario. If Bitcoin fails to break resistance and begins forming bearish reversal patterns, a temporary correction could occur. This would not necessarily mean the overall trend has changed. Instead, it could simply provide the market with an opportunity to build new support before another attempt to move higher. Volume is another factor worth monitoring. Rising prices supported by increasing trading volume generally indicate stronger market confidence. On the other hand, if prices continue rising while volume declines, it may suggest weakening momentum and a greater possibility of short-term consolidation or pullback. Momentum indicators should also be watched carefully. If momentum remains positive, buyers are likely to maintain control. But if momentum begins to weaken while price approaches resistance, traders should become more cautious and wait for additional confirmation before entering new positions. Risk management remains the most important part of trading. Even experienced traders cannot predict every market movement. Using appropriate position sizes, setting stop loss levels, and avoiding emotional decisions are essential for long-term success. The goal is not to win every trade but to protect your capital while taking advantage of high probability opportunities. Market sentiment also plays a major role in Bitcoin's direction. Positive news, institutional investment, favorable macroeconomic developments, and continued adoption can all support higher prices. Conversely, unexpected economic events or regulatory announcements can quickly increase volatility and lead to sharp price swings. To summarize today's analysis for July 15, 2026, Bitcoin remains constructive on the daily timeframe. As long as key support levels hold, the overall outlook favors the bulls. A confirmed breakout above resistance would strengthen the case for further upside, while rejection could lead to a healthy short-term correction before the next major move. Remember, successful trading is based on patience, discipline, and consistency. The market rewards those who follow a well-planned strategy, not those who chase every candle. After all, Bitcoin has a remarkable talent for proving that certainty is usually the most expensive position a trader can take. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next market update.